My name is Jamie and I have a new hair topper to review today. This is Upgrade Claire from UniWigs, and you can stay tuned and I will tell you all about it. I've tried a couple lace front toppers from UniWigs before. They are great for women who have a weak frontal hairline, especially across here. I have some little patchiness here from my frontal fibrosing alopecia. So I do like that option of having a hair topper that goes the whole way to the front, and then you don't have to blend any bio hair with it with the lace front. So without further ado, let me show you Upgrade Claire. So this is Upgrade Claire. This piece is real human hair. It's a Chinese hair, so it's a little more of a smooth texture. It won't dry quite as wavy as like a Burmese hair. It is in Truffle brown, which is a pretty good match for my hair. This piece is another monotop piece, and it is a 6x6 cap. And it has a really nice parting area. You can change up the part, then a realistic part line. And then as you can see, it kind of stops here. The very front part, which is the lace hairline, is a little bit of like a finer lace that's more sheer, which is great for along your hairline. As you can see, I did attach the halo wire. It comes with the little loops to hook it into. I love this option. I feel like it helps it be really secure and it helps it to lay flat. So that is great. This piece is 110% density. And like I said, it's a 6x6 cap. That's a little bit smaller than the main pieces that I have been wearing from UniWigs, which are Upgrade Courtney and then Airy Elegance. So this one has a little less hair overall because it's going to be a smaller cap size and then a lower density. So I actually love that about it, especially for beginners. I think when you're making that shift to wearing toppers, it's nice to have sort of like just a little bit of hair just to give you the feel of like what it feels like to cover your spots and be secure without like looking too different. So let me go ahead and put this on and show you what it looks like. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do is first change up my part to match with the topper. It'll help give it a more realistic look. Okay, so there's my center part to line up with this. Pull the halo wire over my head. Clip. I'm gonna go ahead and do the clips to help make it lay a little flatter, even though I do have the halo wire on. Okay, so I feel like this is one of those pieces where it might work better if you don't have a hairline that's intact. I do have like a little bit of a widow's peak, and this area and this particular topper goes, you know, straight across instead of like dipping down like a widow's peak. So it doesn't really line up quite as naturally with my hairline, but I know a lot of women with like FFA or that sort of thing might have, you know, their hairline might not be intact enough to even matter. So in that case, this would be fine. And also if you want a little more security, you can glue down this little bit of lace to help it stay flatter, but it's actually laying quite nicely. Even just the halo wire I find is so helpful for these pieces. It really just pulls it down nice and tight and gives it a really flat look, which I really like. I'm gonna go ahead and style this a bit to see if I can get it looking a little more natural on me. This does have some nice layers already cut into, which are really pretty. And then these front pieces, I am gonna style them more like a curtain bang. So I'm bringing it down and out like a curtain bang, which is nice. Like I said, it has the pre-cut layers already in it, and it helps it kind of just lay nice along my forehead. And now I'm going to take powder. I already started a little bbit here. I'm gonna take some powder and go along the part line just to help it look a little bit extra realistic here. Here's how it's looking styled. Let me show you the back. I think it's the right amount of coverage without, you know, it gives you the coverage, it doesn't give too much volume where it looks like you're wearing a hairpiece, which I really like that about it. It lays super flat when you use the halo wire. Like I said, you could glue it. I don't feel like it needs glued, honestly. This lace in the front really like melts into your skin. You can't see it. You could trim it a little bit shorter if you wanted to, but I honestly don't feel like it's gonna make too much of an impact. I want to compare this piece to two other pieces that I have from UniWigs that are like in my daily rotation. So this piece is a monotop piece like I showed in the beginning. It has parting section that you can change. You can do a side part, you can do a middle part, left part, right part, and that is such a nice option. The material that they use in that part line area, the mesh, is like very durable and long lasting, which is great, those characteristics are similar to my Upgrade Courtney, which I love. Upgrade Courtney though is a larger cap. It looks like about the same exact size parting area, but like I said, a larger cap, more density. Upgrade Courtney is 130% density versus 110, which is this one. But I mean, I always forget how these things work, but I mean, that might just be due to it's a larger cap, so you're getting more hair in turn. And then my other favorite that I have been wearing that I feel like is a similar piece with some slight differences is Airy Elegance. So this one is similar, it has the large parting area, but this is a lace top. So the mesh is a little bit finer and a little bit more sheer. If that's something that worries you, about the realistic part line, the Airy Elegance might give like a slightly more realistic part line. And again, this is a lace front just like this. UniWigs offers a lace front of Airy Elegance similar to this where you could cut the lace and glue it or not glue it, but then they also have this version, which is the closed lace, so it comes pre-cut. You don't have to worry about trimming off any extra lace, and it lays super flat with the halo wire, just like this piece. Then this one is a 6.5 by 7 base, so again, slightly a larger base than this 6 by 6 base that Upgrade Claire has. This one, the Airy Elegance, is Burmese hair versus the Chinese hair. So this one is gonna dry a little bit more like wavy, slightly frizzy if you don't, use the right products or style it correctly, but I've never had an issue with it. But so yeah, same color. The truffle brown is what I usually get. So yeah, so this is Upgrade Claire. I love the low density. I feel like it's super lightweight. I feel like it gives security in the front. If you're missing your frontal hairline, this is gonna be great for you. It lays flat, it gives you a realistic hairline. And the monotop is super durable, long lasting. You can wash it and dry it and style it a bunch, and it's gonna stay intact and still look great for you. So yeah, I feel like this is another great piece for women suffering from frontal hair loss. Yeah, thanks for watching.